Hey guys, welcome to the part 2 of this edition to Introduction to Pixellab. Okay, alright, quickly without wasting much time, we're going to make this design right here by using all the tools we've explained in the previous video. Alright, let's move right in. The first thing we want to do is to delete this, and we have a yellow background. So let's go here, click on color, click here. You can either pick this color or you can click on this, click on the pencil tool, then click on this image, then select yellow. You can see the yellow here, right? Then okay, so that's what you want. Good, so we have the background. The next thing you want to do is the white shape inside. Let's go to shape, go to create a shape here. We want something. I'm going to click on this and this so that I will see what I'm doing. Is this okay? Okay, let me leave this like this. Okay, the color I want to give the same thing, the same color. The stroke color, I want the stroke color to be white because that's what we have in the image, white. Then let's go and increase it to a reasonable extent. If you want sharp edges, this, you want curve. Okay, I think curve is the same thing we have in the image. Alright, so we have this. I think this is quite big. Let's bring it down. Okay, there we have it. Let's bring that image to the front. Alright, what else we want here? The oval shape. I'm gonna remove this. Okay, now I'm not clicking on anything. Okay, I'll go to shape. This. How does this look? Okay, let's give it a color. Pick this, then come here, then until you get, okay, see, we have the color now. Okay, it will not be perfect, but it should be close. All right, now we have that. The next thing we want now, try merge the shape we have already, or maybe not merge, but lock them so that they will not move again. We want this to be locked, and we want this shape to be locked. Where is it? Here. Okay, this one. So you see they don't move again. Only this one can move, right? Good. So the next thing we need now is the text. So we go to A, text, and we come over here, click on edit, and type MTN. This turned into capital letter. Good. That's what we want. Okay. So we have this. Okay, let's change the font. The style, it is bold and aligned, italics. Font, I don't have the actual font, but I'm going to use this particular one. Now if you look closely, you see that the N is being covered a little bit. That's why you need mask, not mask, rather padding. Pad it to the right. Good. Now you have it open. Okay, now let's give it a color. In the image, we have everything to be white. except the one in the middle, which is what? Yellow. Okay, now we are almost done, except that we need to add the red shape below it. Okay, now this will be a little bit advanced, but just see what I'm going to do. Now, the easiest thing to do is to create a square and align, make it become a parallelogram and move it down there. But we don't have such tool here, so I'm going to find a way to manipulate that. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this text. Okay, I have it here, so I'm going to edit it. Sorry, not the color. I'm going to give the color at the bottom. I'm going to give it red. Okay, I'm going to give it red color. Good. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to work on this. I would add a shape. Okay, I'm going to merge these two. Watch what I'm going to do. Okay, let me give this a different color first. Fill color, let me give it this color. Good. Let me merge these two. I'll merge this and the text. I think this is the first one. Good. Merge. Alright, they are merged, right? Now I'm going to erase this color. White will go normally, but if you click on this pen tool to have the color you want, so I want this color to go. If I click on it, good. You see now the color, it's no longer there, right? Okay, so that's that. The next thing I want to do now, I'm going to bring this here such that it occupies the exact position. All right, it's as if we almost have a shape, but there's a line in between. So I'm going to go to shape. No, let me use an arrow. Let me use an arrow. I need a small arrow, very faint one, and I need it to be the same color as this. Okay, come on. I need to zoom a little bit in so that this will work out well for me. It's having a shadow. Okay, I think that is good. So let's zoom out. Ta-da! Now I can delete this. The shape I locked, I need this unlocked so that I can readjust it. Now, ouch. Alright, let me use the relative position, move the pixel down and move it up. Okay, and there we have it. the logo, and this is basically all you have to do and all you have to learn here. There isn't something much. This you can readjust. Seems to be showing good. Now it looks perfect. And now what you have to do, go here, click on export image, PNG, Ultra, and save. That's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like, comment, share with your friends. I would love to hear from you to know one or two things that I need to add to improve my videos and other projects you want me to embark on. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.